Murder Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to be talking about a video I see. Right. Incident took place in Lakes Pen. A young man loses his life. And that is not even the main focus of the video. What I'm going to talk about is, in the video you see, a little youth. Right, I can't even guess him age, right? But little youth, I don't imagine he's no more than maybe 4 years old, something like that. Right, 4 or 5, that's the best guess I can do. Right, but juvenile, you get the picture. He might have hold on upon him and walk him towards a scene where a youth get mashed up by some 87s. I go talk about it, because people take this thing lightly. People take the fact say, Pitney, I see so much death and destruction from an early age lightly. I'm going to talk about how youths from the inner city, right, well, all over Jamaica at this point, because the plague is everywhere now, but Jamaican youths are now being desensitized from an early age to the death and destruction, and it does take a toll on them, especially the one them who end up on the conveyor belt. Before we go any further, I want to send a special Patreon birthday shout out to none other than Mrs. Tanash Thompson, straight from your hubby, Jason. Right? He might tell me say, right, you played a major role in helping him turn on his life, right? And he actually gave some credit, right, to where he is now, and that's big, right? Because it's not often you hear that. Enough time you hear man talk about woman, them say woman drag them down, woman mash them up, and that happen. That happen frequently. But I love when time the man them who actually have a positive experience. I love when time them man they come out and talk to, because people only want to talk about the failures, right? Enough woman, they may talk about the man they may help them in their life, they may talk about the man they may hurt them, and the same go for man. So I love say, right, Jason, I give your flowers them while you're still here. So Tanash, big up yourself and more life. I could move back into the video. Jamaican youths, I see some things in a real life we find Pitney only seen a show. So the official report is that, right, place named Banana Lane in Lakes Pen. Young man by the name of Rashid Myers, right, or Myers, 30 years old. Police them may shut a fire when they go up on him scene. Go up on the scene, them see him slumped over one chair. Him dip on him knee. Now the video can see like say, them sit down on the chair, and if I run him a try run, or as I'm shooting him just drop off, but him may not drop on another chair. So him dip on him knee and him head now one chair. Grimy scenes, as you can imagine. Then the real part of the video what really make me have to scratch my head is when me see a woman who I'm assuming is the youth mother hold on upon the little boy and walk him through the crowd, and then him stand up right in front of the youth. The juvenile even, he might look around like him don't even know what go on. As he should. He might look around like, what is? What going over here, so? I realize that in a Jamaica now, the youth must see so much death and destruction. That's by the time they reach 11, 12 years old, they're desensitized. Now, let me just be clear. You don't have to say it, me'll say it. Right? Under my Pitney, people can do what they want to do, them Pitney. You're free for do what you want to do. Your responsibilities, whatever. You don't have to tell me that. Because I know the usual. You can't tell nobody nothing. People Pitney can do what they want to do. Who you think you are? Yeah, me get all that. But I'm not just talk individually. I'm just not talk about that individual youth. I talk about the youths in general. Right, and how them are grow. Because I hear them do the video. Children, you have to protect them from certain things. A matter of fact, you literally have to protect Pitney from themselves. Left to their own devices, Pitney will put themselves in all kind of situation. We know that. Right? We know say you have a shit. There's a reason why when you buy certain movies, you see a rating on it. The rating say rated M for mature, rated 18 plus. When you go to the cinema, Pitney can't go in a certain show. Remember, we're talking about show, You don't care Pitney go in a certain show. There's a reason why we don't make Pitney watch blues. We don't make 5-year-old watch blues. We understand the Pitney enough for certain things. But in our real life, especially in Jamaican culture, which become normalized now, we make Pitney see everything. We carry Pitney upon murder scene, we carry Pitney go in a dance, we carry Pitney go watch skin out activities. Pitney live like big people. Pitney I say the same thing, but them brain can't process it the same. Remember, Jamaica is a place where you might just see your favorite 6-year-old, a quote-unquote dagger, a big woman. You might see your favorite 6-year-old, right, on a crime scene, Right? They I pick up Speng Shell and I ask her what is. I look on literally inside a smaddy head. Right? And if you say, we need to protect the youths them from this. Why Pitney do this? Why Pitney depend on him senior? Then people immediately start the shaming tactics and them jump on you and them attack you. Alright, do your thing and you're a Pitney, sure. But make sure you stay down the road on the consequences. Start to manifest at the same thing you say. Because remember at that point, we are got here, a society. Just like come to the video now and I say, you can't walk Pitney go to a crime scene. You can't walk Pitney go to dagger in and them forces. Them tell you say, shut your mouth, mind the business. Alright? Society can't tell you what to do, I understand that. But tell me say this not an effect. Now tell me say, a youth I go look literally inside that one man head at 4 years old and have no effect on him. That is impossible. These youths are traumatized from an early age, and then them see so much death and destruction. By the time them reach 14, 15, it don't mean nothing to them. So if them end up up on the conveyor belt, it is so easy for them kill. It is so easy for them take off head and fling me, because the gore what them see over the years so normal to them. That's when them start do it. Them come like them already have the experience. But you learn what you see. If you see 50 dead body, right, in the course of your 12 years on this earth, if you decide say you want bad, you are going to be a dangerous 87. Because remember, what put off enough people from killing, you know, is not even the law, you know. It's got enough people that have the stomach feet. And I couldn't know that. One of the things that must stop enough people from taking life is not because they're inherently law-abiding citizens, because they don't have the stomach feet. They can't manage the gore and the sight of killing and to do the act, they can't do it. So when somebody was to 50, right, man lie down on the ground to the point that it become not like them. When them bad, you see when them go take out badness, then you end up, right, with some quote-unquote monsters. Because nothing to shot them. Then you sit down there, just like some of the videos you've seen, man I use last and I beat neck bone until they drop off and then just hold up to the sky, it don't mean nothing to them. Them desensitized long time. So you watch it, right? And even though a video you watch it on, you can barely eat afterwards, you're traumatized. Sci-fi isn't. Sci-fi isn't. A long time you must see it. Even though him never do it, a long time you must see it. Jamaican youths are traumatized. Jamaican Pitney are traumatized. But I already said, these youths need therapy. Not just at the community level, but probably at the national level. And that's just accounting for violence. We not talk about the other things they them see. But people are going to tell us that this don't mean nothing. What Pitney see, and what them do, it don't mean nothing. That's just fun. Right? Even the same Pitney and Dagger are just fun. Even though the same, right, movie them on the loves so much, telling us, don't make Pitney see this. Imagine, the people who make the movie give a rating and tell us don't make a Pitney see. But people will make Pitney see in a real life and say nothing wrong with it. You have to protect children. I understand to a certain situation they can't do nothing. But if you walk you up on scene, hold on you and I walk him go look, you to look around like a walk one or so. Man slumped over a chair, mash up, and you're coming like nothing. We notice in a show when time when you people say, when certain things happen, only hear people bawl out, get him out of here, get him out of here. They might try to run at the Pitney fast, trying to spear them. In Jamaica, people walk the Pitney up on the crime scene. I don't know if it's the fact that the adults them are, you know, it's so normal to them that them now, you know, clap to them say, Pitney off yesterday sport, I don't know. Let me say, I'm just a little YouTuber who comment on certain things we see in our society. So, I'm not telling nobody how to raise them Pitney, how to treat them Pitney, do what I want to do. I tell us that to my eyes, something is wrong here. See, we wish I could have posted the video, right? So you get a full understanding of what I'm talking about, but you don't know YouTube stereo, so I posted the video on Patreon. Right? But there is no shot of the youth by himself without, you know, you can't get the expression of the youth without catching the body, right, of Rashid Myers. So we can't post it on YouTube, right? So they on Patreon. We want to understand the look on the youth face is like, right, like a what is, right? And over time, that look I got changed. and that look are gonna become on a nothing. And see when that look reach on a nothing, society have a problem. We're telling all the time about emotional intelligence. We don't want to rely on people, right, having high emotional intelligence, because most don't. Some people go through trauma and it make them, right, elevate above it, and them turn around and say, you know what, me no want nobody see this, so me I go do this. Sure, those are people with high EQ. The average human being walking around does not have very high EQ, and that's a fact. The best way to protect youths is to prevent them from being in the situation in the first place, that we are not relying on them having very high EQ to overcome the situation. That's why you hear people say, me no smarty, we go through this and then end up come out to be the better. Yes, some people, as me say, right, them have innate, right, ability to do certain things where them can go through trauma, them go through this, and them just overcome it and turn it on positive. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up himself. BIA, don't know, no life. Vulture Squad, see you circling. Bless.